it's back behind us pretty good. Oh, hey, stuff popping right here. I had a first yesterday. I caught a cormorant. A cormorant. Yeah. He hit us. He hit us. He hit my spook. He swam right up underneath it and whacked it. Kind of freaked me out. Oh yeah, did you put some in there? Oh, got one? There you go. Schoolie. Oh, you got power pole down? Okay. All right, number 4, 2 each. I'm at tournament load. Hey, I'm 230 right now. Actually, I think I lost about 5 pounds yesterday. I hope this wind stays up a little while. You notice how clear the water is here? It's okay. Yeah, these fish might stay on a little longer with the wind, you know. I don't know. I think so. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What rod is that? Oh, okay. Use your Kimura at all? Or? Oh, I had one. It's a nice rattle trap rod, man. This thing freaking launches them. You know, it's. I know that was a heck of a deal. Yeah, maybe work out toward the edge here a little bit. We are, but yeah, just that's the way to do it though. Just keep moving around. When you get bit, anchor down, you know. Yeah. No, you're good. Yeah, just keep going this way. A bunch of stuff on the graph right underneath us. I can't see it. Got up to 90 yesterday, the water temp. Probably got hotter than that after I left. It's funny though, it looks like Steve's boat, but that don't look like Steve, does it? In the back? Or does it? Yeah. Yeah, it's got, yeah, that's Steve. About 20. I got my last fish at 8 o'clock though. There wasn't this much wind. Yeah. That's the way it goes, man. You'll go 15, 20 minutes with nothing and then boom, 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 you know? They just move around in big schools. Got one? That looks like a better one. Yeah, it's Steve in the red there. Can hear his voice. You got what? there's a lot of cormorants out here yesterday, and they were coming up eating too, you know. Oh, watch that bird getting ready to go down on something. Kind of like ocean fishing out here though, huh? Got one? Yeah, they're up on top more, I think, because we're right on the edge right now, and everything we're getting is more up on the reef. With this wind, they're going to be up on top, probably more active, you know. Tell Steve, you know, don't worry about crowding us. Go fish wherever you want to fish. It's his spot, you know. Oop. He liked the looks of my Aruco shad there. Got one? Yeah. Number 6. You got the last 3.